Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from police activity. I'll link the full video below if you want to watch it start to finish. What starts as a routine well-being check quickly turns dangerous when officers arrive at a home in Bradley and come face-to-face with a man reportedly armed with a box cutter. In situations like this, officers have only seconds to assess the threat and decide how to respond. The breakdown starts now.
You, Jose?
What's up, man?
So, called us, told us you made some suicidal comments. Well, she sent this, we saw those text messages about the suicidal comments, okay?
Pay attention to the way the officers slow this interaction down. The moment they notice something in his hands, you can hear that caution kick in immediately.
What do you got in your hand there, boss? So what we'd like to do, Jose, is we'd like to call an ambulance here for a mental evaluation and make a determination whether or not you're going to go to the hospital for a mental eval. What do you got in your hand, dude?
Notice how the officers ask him one more time about what he's holding, because seconds later, this entire encounter goes in a completely different direction.
Can't count 526. Stay there.
Hey, man.
What do you drop? What you have in your hand? Drop it. Think less lethal.
Watch closely here. The next move this man makes is about to leave the officer with almost no other option in a matter of seconds.
Can't comp. Give me some more units. Don't make. Drop the knife. Drop it! Don't get up!
Shots fired, more units.
You will be shot.
Don't!
50, clear that crash and start heading there.
After the shooting, officers immediately moved in to provide medical aid while waiting for paramedics to arrive on scene. Orozco was then transported to a nearby hospital, where he later died from his injuries. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.